So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job saving series. Today we have jobs for the freshers as well. Meanwhile, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job needs I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Now let's get started. So this is the first opening that we have, which is for the SOC, which is in Bangalore, Indian. Mother, you should have experience of QA, right? So there are four openings, right? First is L2, 5 years of experience is required. Second is Threat Hunter, 5 years again. Then 4 to 8 years for QRadar platform support and SOC manager, 10 plus years. This is for experience. If you want to apply, you can check out from here. Now, second is this required 2 to 8 years of experience. I'll tell you for the freshers as well. Meanwhile, check out this one. Application security analyst, the responsibility you can pause and see key responsibility which is they have, right? And required skills is all those things, and this is the contact detail, like mail ID and contact number on which you can drop your resume, on which you can basically uh, send your ask, like if you have any question. Now next opening is basically someone is hiring for the VAPT professional. This is project based role, part time, and this is what they are looking for. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next opening is basically in persistent. They want someone with 2 to 5 years experience in the skills in cybersecurity. So see whatever you have in cybersecurity ops. Next is someone is hiring for the multiple roles in Offenso Hackers Academy, right? They are the open position, and cybersecurity trainer is also there. You can apply, and this is the mail ID along with the contact number, right? There's a walk-in interview in Indore, which is in Madhya Pradesh. You can scan this QR, you can apply for the role. So that's what we have. Thank you very much. If you want to apply for web application pen testing training and internship program, check out this year. If you want to apply for SOC, just check out this year. So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.